Namaste, I'm Shiva Swati. Welcome to the Voice of God channel. Please like, share and subscribe. This video is about explaining how meditation can actually help you control the pandemic. If you can do large scale meditation, if several thousands and millions of people sit and meditate for at least 1 hour or 2 hours daily, then energies of neutral vibrations will be sent out to the universe, and people will become stronger in immunity. So meditation is the key to controlling the pandemic now, when nothing else is actually working. When you are meditating, you have to focus on generating positive rays from your body through focus on thoughts of detachment from worries. Even if everything is going wrong around you, even if there is a lot of distress, even if you are working amongst people who are in distress, you have to focus on detachment from all those energies and focus on radiating energies of peacefulness from your body. In meditation, you can ask your thoughts, negative thoughts, to come after 2 hours or after 20 minutes, however long you can meditate. And you can instead focus on just feeling the chakras in your body, the 7 chakras, and you can focus on like each chakra is like a funnel, so you can focus on cleansing each chakra from your body, cleansing each chakra like as if it is a wire of light, and you are cleansing manually each wire, and you are making it glow with light, each wire, and each funnel is moving more clearly and more with less obstruction, so your immunity will increase that ways. And when your immunity increases, obviously you can reflect back the energy of the pandemic, or you can avoid going into places where you can attract the infection. So naturally you will be more conscious of your actions, and you will try to prevent infecting the problem, because for some people immunity is very high and they can easily come out of the problem. But if people have become old, or if they have depressed, or if they have very sad lifetimes and they actually do not want to live, then they will fall prey to the problem, and they can fall prey to death also, because there is no inner desire to live. So actually what you have to do through meditation is that you slow down your negative thinking, and you do not think negative for at least the time of meditation. And then when you are awakening from that meditation, you have to focus on positive thoughts, like you focus on 10 blessings inside yourself, 10 blessings in your life. You focus on 10 blessings on earth, 10 blessings which God have given you. If you cannot find anything, you have to imagine these 10 blessings exist. And when you start imagining and thanking God for these imaginations, you will realize that situations in your life will turn around, so that over time these blessings come in your life actually through your action and through your choices. So instead of asking for something which is very tangible, like you ask for a car, or you ask for a husband, or you ask for a wife, which is very tangible, and which you think that getting this will solve your problems, but it does not solve your problems, because every new situation which is tangible, any new thing which comes in your life comes with its own problems. So you have to focus instead on the feelings you desire. For example, you desire feelings of peace in your life, you desire feelings of being loved in your life, you desire feelings of being emotionally supported in your life. So focus on feelings that you desire in your meditation, and create visualizations around those feelings. Instead of visualizing the things that you like, that you are visualizing that you are sitting in a car which you like very much, focus on the feeling of sitting in the car, so that that feeling manifests in your life, whether the car manifests or not. Because the manifestation of the car will not get you the feeling, but the manifestation of the feeling will increase your frequency to more positive, and hence your immunity will increase. So your focus needs to be on feeling positive feelings in your meditation, and detaching from negative feelings, even if it pulls you down very much. Even if feelings of hatred or revenge pull you, even then you have to detach yourself strongly from it, and make it a determined effort to meditate on counting blessings in your life. You should not focus on getting miracles in your life, because miracles take life force away, and a resolution in some area of life can increase problems in another area of life. So you need to focus instead on being on co-creation, that you are learning the art of co-creation as a part of the creator, and hence you need to focus on the feelings that you desire in the future, in the present moment, as if it is happening now, while negating the present reality. So it is a difficult task, and mental work is very difficult. It is though you might assume that physical work is very difficult, like dancing or playing sports, but mental work is far more difficult. And because mental work requires that you move away from all material things like alcohol and drugs and lust, and you focus on your inner self and being a part of God. So if you do a lot of mental work, you will find that you cannot do as much physical work, and also that you cannot cope with hypocrisy. Like if you are a sportsman or an actor, you will stay married to a person who does not love you, simply because you are so used to physical work that you do not give enough importance to the emotional aspects of your life. However, if you are focused on meditation and on clearing your energies, you will realize that you will break away from partners who do not love you, and you will stop going to parties where you do not feel respected, simply because you want your energies to be clear, and self-love as a part of God, because God is inside you. So self-love means the loving the God inside you becomes very important for you. And when you rise to a higher positive frequency, you control the pandemic at an individual level. You contribute to clearer energies being radiated out in the universe. So the only way to control the pandemic right now is to hold large scale meditation, where several people are meditating in their own homes, and on a continuous basis, 6 months, 1 year, where they are meditating and breaking away from hypocrisy and the control of the black god, and actually believing in a positive God who is actually helping you rise above suffering and finding solutions to problems, so that your inner frequency rises. So meditation is very important. However, you should not worry while in meditation, because worrying will increase release of negative hormones in your body and make you more susceptible to infection. So you need to meditate in a way that only positive or neutral hormones are discharged in your bloodstream, and you become a radiator of white light on earth. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.